In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert footnotes and endnotes in your document. To get started, open your document and read through the text until you find the exact spot where you want to place your reference number. This is important because the note marker will appear wherever your cursor is positioned. So take a second to click very precisely in the sentence or just after the word or punctuation that the note relates to. In most cases, placing the reference number immediately after the relevant information keeps your document looking clean and professional. Once your cursor is in the correct location, move your attention to the top of the screen and select the References tab on the ribbon. This tab contains the tools used for citations, notes, and other reference features. So it's the main place you'll be working from for this task. If you don't immediately see the commands you need, just make sure the References tab is actively selected before moving on. From there, if you want to place a note at the bottom of the current page, click Insert Footnote. As soon as you do that, the program will add a small reference number in the text and automatically jump to the bottom of that same page where you can type your note. Footnotes are especially useful when you want readers to see additional information, explanations, or source details without having to leave the page they're currently reading. If instead, you want your note to appear at the very end of the entire document, click Insert Endnote. This will place the reference number in your text just like a footnote does, but the actual note will be collected at the end of the document rather than at the bottom of the page. Endnotes are often a better choice when you want to keep individual pages less crowded and maintain a cleaner layout throughout the document. As a quick tip, choose footnotes when immediate access to the note matters most, and choose endnotes when you want a more streamlined page design. Both options help organize extra information clearly and professionally. That's all it takes to insert footnotes and endnotes. Once you know where to click and which option to choose, adding references becomes quick, simple, and easy to manage in any document.